Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Being Engineer. This is the second part of video series 22. In the previous part, I discussed the 22 MCQs out of total 45 MCQs with answer keys. This test was conducted by KPPSC, that is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Public Service Commission, for the post of STO and Assistant Engineer on 7th of June 2022. In this portion, we will discuss the remaining 23 MCQs with answer keys. Before we start our today's topic, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get more informative videos like this. So let's start our today's topic. Number 23. The longitudinal shearing stresses acting on the surface between the steel and the concrete are called option A. Compressive stresses, tensile stresses, bond stresses. Options D. None of these. The right answer is bond stresses. 24. Poisson's ratio of concrete is in the range of 0.10 to 0.20. Option B 0.15 to 0.25. Option C 0.18 to 0.22. Option D 0.5 to 0.65. The right option is option B 0.15 to 0.25. 25. A reciprocating pump is suitable for option A. Less discharge. Option B. Irregular discharge. Option C. Higher discharge. Option D. Both A and C. The right answer is less discharge. A reciprocating pump is suitable for less discharge. 26. The diameter of rainfall collector in Symon's rain gauge is 8 cm, 13.5 cm, 12.7 centimeters or 35.0 centimeters. The right answer is option C 12.7 centimeters. 27. A hydrograph is drawn as a plot of runoff discharge versus time, rainfall volume versus time, rainfall intensity versus time. Option D. Cumulative rainfall volume versus time. The right answer is option C. Hydrograph is drawn as a plot of rainfall intensity versus time. 28. The thickness of road surfacing depends on the type of traffic, intensity of traffic, type of material. Option D. All of these. The right option is all of these. The thickness of road surfacing depends on the type of traffic, intensity of traffic and type of material as well. 29. The initial cost of construction of rigid pavement is dash as compared to flexible pavement. Option A. Less, more. Option C. Same. D. Depend on the terrain. So the right answer is option B. More. The initial cost of construction of rigid pavement is more as compared to flexible pavement. 30. Activities are linked to show dash of activities in a project. Each activity must be completed before the next activity can start. So the question is, activities are linked to show option A. Duration, B. Logical sequence, C. Length of arrow, D. None. The right answer is logical sequence. Activities are linked to show logical sequence. In arrow diagram, length of arrow is representing length of activity, representing resource allocation. For clarity of diagram, option D. Representing importance of activity. The right answer is representing length of activity. 32. The project manager would have a system in place, constantly monitor the project progress, choose appropriate phase of project management for the statement mentioned. Number A. Defining, B. Planning, C. Execution, D. Controlling. The right option is option C. Execution. Supervision primarily controls option A. Scope and quality, option B. Cost and resources, C. Delivery date, D. Any of these. The right option is any of these. Supervision primarily controls scope, quality, cost, resources and delivery date as well. So the right option is option D. A project must complete option A within due time only, within time and budget, within budget allocated for fiscal year. The right answer is option B. Within time and budget. 35. Infiltration is measured by cylindrical metal rings, lacymeters, USWB class A pen, or rain gauges. The right option is option A, cylindrical metal rings. The clay mineral with large swelling and shrinkage characteristics is kaolinite, latinate, or montmorillonite. D. None of these. The right option is option C, that is montmorillonite. Void's ratio of soil mass can option A never be greater than unity, B 0, C take any value greater than 0, D value between 0 and 1. The right option is option C, take any value greater than 0. 38. Coarse-grained soils are well compacted by drum roller, rubber tire roller, sheep foot roller, or vibratory roller. The right answer is option C, sheep foot roller. 39. Which of the following methods is best suited for determination of permeability of coarse-grained soils? Option A, constant head method. Option B, falling head method. C, any of A or B. D, none. The right answer is constant head method. Constant head method is best suited for determination of permeability of coarse-grained soils. 40. In general, most destructive earthquake waves are option A, P waves, S waves, surface waves, or all of these. The right answer is option C, surface waves. Surface waves in general are the most destructive earthquake waves. 41. The members that are necessary for the stability of truss and to provide support if applied loading is changed are known as critical members, neutral members, zero force members, or tension members. The right answer is option C, zero force members. 42. Slope of the shear diagram is shear, moment, area under shear diagram, intensity, distributed load. The right answer is C, area under shear diagram. 43. ILD for statically indeterminate structure is a straight line, curved line, line having 0° slope, or option D, none. The right answer is curved line. ILD for statically indeterminate structure is curved line. Bracing elements and tie rods are examples of tension members, compression members, zero force members, D, additional members. The right answer is tension members. Bracing elements and tie rods are example of tension members. 45. This is the last MCQ of this sequence, that is, work done by friction force will always be option A negative, B positive, C 0, D any of these. The right option is negative. Work done by friction force will always be negative. That's all for today. Stay tuned guys for more MCQs. These MCQs are very helpful and will definitely help you out in the upcoming competitive exams. If you haven't watched my previous videos related to MCQs, watch that videos as well. The links of those videos are given in the description. But before going, if you are not subscribed to my channel, you are requested to please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.